Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by unlocking the watch and ensuring your iPhone is nearby. This speeds the process and preserves settings. Once done, open the Watch app on iPhone and select your watch at the top. This links the two interfaces. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active because Apple uses them to back up and erase safely. You are now ready to unpair. This first action creates a fresh backup and prevents activation lock, so take a breath and proceed. On the iPhone, tap Unpair Apple Watch and follow prompts. You do this because unpairing triggers an automatic backup and wipe of the watch. When asked, enter your Apple ID password to disable activation lock. This is crucial if you plan to sell or hand off the device. The phone will begin a backup. Patiently wait until it finishes. Make sure not to interrupt. Once the backup completes, the watch will be erased and ready for a fresh setup or transfer. After erasure, check that the watch displays the Hello screen. This confirms successful logout and removal from your account. If it still shows your account, sign out of iCloud on the iPhone and try unpairing again. This clears lingering activation lock flags. If problems continue, restart both devices and repeat the unpair sequence. Often a reboot resolves Bluetooth or iCloud sync hiccups. Finally, if nothing works, contact Apple support with your device serial. Don't skip that step if activation lock blocks transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.